Hello, Sue Patterson here. Just wanted to talk to you about the face reading course that I did with Rani some time ago. As I'm involved in sales, undertaking this course has been really beneficial to me in my job. In sales, I've done many courses as far as features and benefits and needs and wants, etc., etc. But I've never done any training on how to actually read the person that I'm trying to sell to and to understand the person, not just the store. So coming to Rani's training was really good. It was a great day. Rani's really lighthearted with everything that she does, and she provides a great lunch. Thanks, Rani. And but the best part I found was to actually learn about myself. It's taught me to look at different things in my features, and it's encouraged me to actually work on myself to become a better person in myself as well. Love the course, and love any of the treatments that I get with Rani as well. And she's just great. Love you, Rani. Bye.